What is up, everyone? It's Butterflies Galore. Just want to do something a little bit different, and I'm actually going to be doing a little mini makeup tutorial. Sorry y'all can see the green light off of my glasses. Can't really help that. So today I'm actually going to be doing a little bit of a makeup tutorial, doing something a little bit different, and hopefully it turns out really well, because if not, I mean, I could always do something different, but I'm going to be doing my makeup as if I'm going to be going out. So I have my little mini makeup box right here, and then I have my eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using today, which is going to be the Frank X Morphe palette, and I'm going to be doing that, so give me a minute. And today I already moisturized my face, so I'm going to be waiting for that to dry, and then I'm going to start off with my primer. What I actually use is the Decay. It's the face primer along with a foundation grip, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to be doing this for the primer today. I probably put way too much on my hands, but oh well. This is fine. And unfortunately, my usual thing that I do, the usual thing that keeps my hair back, it's out in the washing machine right now. So I am unable to put it on at the moment. So we're going to be doing the best we can, given what we got. Actually have my headphones on instead of doing my my band, because it's in the washer, like I said. And I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty. This one is Lavender. This is my powder that I'm going to do. I already put my primer on, so I'm going to actually put this on and see how this looks. Have set the powder and everything and give it in a few minutes. I'm going to be going over and doing my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. This is the shade I'm doing is 150, and it's a soft matte. And by the way, this is what it looks like. This is the soft matte foundation. Actually, I'm going to do my eyeshadow first before I do my foundation, because of there being the chance of having fallout. The shade I'm actually going to be doing instead is I'm going to be doing this black shade, and then since my shirt is a dark red, I'm going to try and see if I can do a different palette or mix the red with the black and try and have that. And while I am before I put on the eyeshadow, I'm going to actually be putting on this eyeshadow primer, which is going to be going along the top lid. And once I do that, it's going to basically sit, have it to where it's going to be longer lasting. Instead of it smearing and blending easily, it's going to just stay on my eyelid. So the eyeshadow primer I use is the Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and that is what it looks like. And we're not going to do a ton, we're going to only do a little bit. And now we're going to be going over and doing the other lid. Unfortunately, my bangs were getting in the way, so I had to move them. So I'm going to be going over and doing this black shade, which this one is Matte Splash. I'm going to be going over. And I'm going to be setting it along my eyelid instead of doing it along the crease like I normally would. I'm just going to do it along my eyelid and blend it out into being That is how my eyelid looks before I put on any other shades. So that is the black right there. And I'm gonna skip off camera and do this. So now that both of my eyes are done in that regard, I'm going to go in with the shade Buzz, and I'm actually going to be blending that with Sasha Enchanted and have that along the crease of my eye. That way it blends out into like a darker red, kind of similar to this color, but it's going to be kind of difficult too. So I'm going to first go in with Sasha Enchanted and going along the inner corner to about the middle of the crease of my eyebrow. I mean, of my, not eyebrow, but my, the crease of my, my eye. So. In there, but it's not the exact shade I was wanting, so I might blend it to be a little bit darker. Now I'm going to go along and do the shade Buzz. And I'm going to So that I went along with Buzz and ended up going out into my outer corner right there. So from the middle crease all the way to the outer corner of my eye, and I blended it out like that. So I'm gonna do this other eye off camera. Okay, now that I have gone along with the shade Buzz, I'm going to go along the top right here and do this shade called Roxy and Rolly, and go along the top right over here. So, and I'm gonna go along my eyebrow, like the eyebrow bone right there. Okay, now I'm going to blend this all together after I do this eye. Okay, now that my foundation has been put on and everything, I'm going to actually go over, do my eyeliner, and then going to go over with the powder one more time, the setting powder. Outside. Are you going outside? Here's my cat Loki. Okay, Loki, chill. Okay, I'll put you down. He said hi. And there we go. All done. The only thing I haven't done technically is the lipstick, but I don't know if I want to wear lipstick today or not. By the way, so I put the lipstick on after all, and the shade I used was called Family Jewels. It's by Jeffree Star. It's one of the old ones that I bought, so don't cancel me, YouTube. Don't cancel me. It's one of the old shades. So, I bought it back in like 2019 before I found out he was yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I hope this makeup tutorial actually helped you. I did not do my eyebrows. I don't care about my eyebrows, so we're not going to be focusing on that. By the way, I forgot to get a picture of, or show y'all my outfit entirely, so this is how it looks. So I got my shirt like that.
Anyways.
But thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube video. I really do appreciate it, and thank you for sticking till the end. Anyways, toodles, bye! And like, comment, and subscribe.